Hey guys, this is Chadwick here again, and I am bringing you a little lesson on Antminers. I have two Antminer s7's that you can find on eBay. And we'll go ahead and look at some Antminers for sale on eBay, if you'd like here. I bought these, you should be able to get them anywhere from $50 to $150. They're kind of price changes and stuff. There's one for a used one for $36, which is the best deal I've ever seen. Well, that's actually a auction, not a buy it now. So we'll look at buy it now. And I've been running these miners for about a month, I suppose. And I've been using EOBot. Let's see here. There's a BeagleBone backboard board. There's a power supply. You're gonna need one of those. You should be able to get one for about $50, new or used. Doesn't really matter. Here's a Antminer s7. They're 4.73 since '84. Monday, February 4th. I believe I have one for sale for $80. It's not on here. I'm not sure where it is. And I have another one for sale in A3 for $60. So what you do is you type in its address 10.0.0.175, and this is one of my miners. It's running at 5.339 gigahertz. Now I know they're rated at 4.73. I got this overclocked to 800, and you're going to want to pay attention to this number. This is how many chips are on each board. So this one has 45 chips on 3 different boards, operating at 800 megahertz. My other miner has 54 chips per board, and is running at 675 megahertz, and it's getting about the same hash rate. So we'll update that. 5.334 terahertz on the 54 chip miner, and 5.389 on the 45 chip miner. Now you probably wonder why I didn't change the frequency on this one to 800. It won't run at 800. It won't run at 700. 675 is the highest frequency I've got to run on that one, even though it has the 54 chips. So it's a little lesson learned that even though you're buying a miner and they have 45 or 54 chips per board, you're going to get about the same hash rate. And we'll go to EOBot, and we'll log in and see how our mining is progressing. Excuse me. I have sinus problems in the morning. Let's see, we'll do this captcha, which just really bothers me because I just don't really get why we have to do captchas. Okay, and here's the Bitcoin. Both those miners are on here. Their hash rate is reported at 12.512 terahashes. The unit rate is 587. So right now it's got 88,281 Satoshi. We're running for about a day or two. Pretty cool. And I found that I get better results using EOBot as opposed to some other Bitcoin mining sites like Slushpool. I think I do a little bit of Slushpool, which is a pretty good one. So, and you can withdraw that if you wanted to. I think I started it, I had 2 days ago, and it had like 0 cents or whatever, so it's like $3 worth of Bitcoin right now. So the thing is, you're not going to make a whole lot of money all at once. You're not going to, break the bank. But it's something to do, something to, spend your time on, and if you're interested, it doesn't really pay, you're not going to lose any money. You're kind of just going to break even, really, unless you go all out and buy 100 miners, which you'd be making $58,000 a year. And I suppose 100 miners would cost, 10 grand or so. You should be able to get a miner and a power supply for $100 if you're looking to buy 100 or more, or 500. I know I can get 500 S9 14 terahash miners for $100 for a miner and a power supply. So $500 or $50,000 for 100 S9s with power supply. So that's all I had today, and I just wanted to share this with you. And you guys, good luck in your mining, and have a good day. Bye.